it's Dean from Leisure Travel Vans. We're very excited because it's a new model year. I can't wait to tell you what's new for the 2027 on both the Wonder motorhome built on the Ford Transit chassis and on the Unity motorhome built on the Sprinter Cutaway chassis. So on both the Wonder and Unity motorhomes, up on that beautiful vacuum bonded roof, we've got a couple new features up there. Standard digital TV antenna on there for free air TV. Also, we have optional Starlink Mini installed at the factory. You do need a subscription for that, and then you're connected all the time. It's a great, great product to have. And also up on that beautiful roof, we've got the Aventa Truma air conditioner, 13,500 BTU. It has soft start, so you can run the air conditioner off your house batteries if you're dry camping. It also has a heat pump, so you can use that to keep you warm in some colder conditions. Of course, that Truma air conditioner, so energy efficient, keep you nice and cool in hot weather as well. Also, we have up on that roof, optional 440 watts of solar. So we're always gonna be trickle charging those house batteries. So when I'm driving down the road, my alternator is gonna charge the house batteries. The solar panels are going to charge the house batteries. We have a 4 kilowatt generator there. That's going to charge the batteries. You can order the optional second alternator. That's going to recharge the house batteries. And of course, if you're plugged into shore power, we're going to recharge those house batteries. So lots of different ways to recharge those batteries for our dry campers. And you can go camping anywhere in North America. Another great feature for 2027 on Wonder motorhomes and Unity motorhomes is our removable rubber floor mats below floor compartments. Very convenient, easy to clean. For 2027 model year on both the Wonder rear twin bed with the garage and on the Unity TBX with the garage, we've added a 120 volt plug so you can charge your e-bikes or maybe a cooler, plug that right in and run it off your inverter. So that's a very cool feature on both the rear twin bed Wonder and on the TBX Unity. Now let's talk about the updates for the 2027 Wonder. First, this is the big one. We've got 4-point hydraulic leveling jacks available on Wonder motorhomes. Yep, you heard me correctly. Everybody's been asking for it for years. Finally, we've got it. 4-point hydraulic leveling jacks, an option on Wonder motorhomes. Plus, we also have the beautiful Desert Shadow package now available on both Unity and Wonder motorhomes. It looks absolutely fantastic. Plus, on all 2027 Wonder motorhomes, you can order optional black aluminum rims, any floor plan. And of course, if you order the optional Desert Shadow package on Wonder motorhomes, you get the black accent package and you get the black rims as well. So we're very excited because on the 2027 Unity models, we now are going to have 3 different floor plans that you'll be able to have optional Mercedes-Benz all-wheel drive. The Unity rear lounge, which this one is, we'll have it on the twin bed model and of course on the TBX, which we just launched in January. Plus, you can also get the optional all-terrain tires and the optional black rims. Standard for 2027 on all of our all-wheel drive models, we have black fender skirts with an integrated mud flap so that you don't get mud and dirt flying off these beautiful optional all-terrain tires. Plus, when you order the optional all-wheel drive, we now have a new option for 2027, 4-point hydraulic leveling jack. So you can automatically level the motorhome on all of our all-wheel drive models. That is so cool. And when you order the optional all-wheel drive chassis, you can also have the optional second alternator for keeping those batteries nice and charged. Remember that the second alternator will only start to charge the house batteries when you're driving down the highway. Don't forget, we have 9 different exterior colors, 10 if you include the Desert Shadow package with the Canyon exterior paint. This particular color is Storm Gray, looks absolutely magnificent. But you've got Alpine Mist, you've got Atlantic Blue, Carbon, Eurosport, Granite, Sandstone, Shadow, and Woodland. Each color painted 3 times, 2 coats of clear, absolutely gorgeous exterior paint. We're inside the 2027 Unity TBX, our brand new floor plan, which is quite exciting. Let's just talk about the colors really quickly. Of course, we have our beautiful Rift Oak or White Oak, 2 different colors of wood, 2 different Ultra Fabric colors. This is our Dove, and we also have Sands. We also have 2 different colors of Corian countertops, mineral countertops or concrete. We also have the optional white uppers, which look absolutely gorgeous. Plus, you can also order the optional Desert Shadow package with the 2-tone driver seats. Looks absolutely gorgeous. It comes with the black accent package where all the accessories inside the motorhome are black. You can also order the black accent package as an option on any floor plan or color that you want to go with. So in this motorhome, we have the optional black accent package. So everything is done in black. It looks absolutely great. And of course, this pulls down. If you order the standard chrome faucet, this pulls down for 2027. Easy for cleaning your plates. Also, don't forget we have the induction cooktop, 2-burner, right? Can't make spaghetti without 2 burners. Absolutely. So that's all standard. We're inside the 2027 Wonder motorhome. We have this beautiful desert shadow package. Looks absolutely gorgeous. The 2-tone driver passenger seats, beautiful. The beautiful Dune Ultra fabric with the mist countertops and the stone uppers. It's a complete package. It includes the black accent package on all of your hardware done in black. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Lots of great changes for 2027. Make sure you go and see your local Leisure Travel Van dealer and see the 2027 Wonder and the 2027 Unity in person. They're absolutely gorgeous. You go to our website, www.leisuravans.com. You can build and price the motorhome with all the options, all the colors. You can see it live on your computer screen. And please come and see us at a local RV show, or of course, go and see your local dealer. If you happen to be in Canada, Winkler, Manitoba, please come by for a factory tour. We'll show you how we build the best built motorhomes in the world. Hey, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, smash that bell, because we may have something new coming in September. We're very excited. We're planning on displaying that at the Hershey RV show in September. So if you happen to be in that area, come and see us. We'll all be down at that show with 10 different leisure travel vans at that show. It's a big show for us. Hey, thanks very much for watching the video on the 2027 Wonder and Unity updates. It's very exciting. Dean from Leisure Travel Van.